To my channel. Here we're going to be working on this problem. We are going to make use of compass to produce the circle and then to produce the curve on the cavalier oblique projection of this object. And as you can see on the screen, the total height here is 140, the thickness is 15, and then from here to this point here is 75. Diameter of this circle is 30, radius of this curve is 35, and then we have that for this curve here, so radius is 15, and this also 15. From here to here is 20, and for this is 15. So we are going to, distance from here to here is 70, from here to here is 20, from here to here is 20, that means from here to here is 30. So we are going to make use of the compass to produce the curve particularly. That is the main purpose of making this video. We have worked on isometric, and also I use another method to produce the oblique curve and circle. So let's make use of compass to work it out. Now, so the first thing that we are going to do is to draw a short horizontal line at this point. So we have it here. Then with 30 as 45 degrees square, with the 45 degrees square, we are going to draw a vertical line. We draw a line in this direction. We are still going to draw a vertical line. So at this point, we draw a vertical line at this point here. Okay. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 70 millimeters. So 70 millimeters. So this is 70. Then this 70, I'm going to break it down into 20. From here to here is 20, and then 20 here. So I'll do that at once. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 140 millimeters here on this line. So 140 millimeters. So from this point, so we take 140 millimeters up. This is 140 millimeters. We have it here. So then I will come to this point here where that 70 millimeters stops. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So at this point, I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay. So along this line, so I'm going to take a measurement of 140 millimeters again. So I need to extend this. Okay. So all right. So this is 140 millimeters. Okay. So I will connect these 2 points together. So connect these 2 points together like this. Okay. Okay, so we have that. So then let's start like this. Let's produce the curve that we have here with the hole. Let's do that. So for the curve, it has a radius of 35. So I'm going to take a measurement of 70 millimeters down. 70 millimeters. So this is 70 millimeters. Then I will break that 70 into 2. So 35, 35. I'll do the same thing here. So take 70 millimeters down. Okay. Then break it down. So 35, 35. So we have this. So here I will connect this together. So I'll connect this together like this. Okay. Then I'll connect this together. So like this. Then I'm going to break this 70. I'll break it down to 2. So that is 35 millimeters. So this is 35. And then I'll do the same thing up here. I'm taking the measurement so to avoid an error. That's why I'm taking it one by one. So we also have 35 here. So I will connect this together. Connect these 2 points together like this. So we have it here. Then this corner and this corner, I will join them together. I will join these 2 corners together like this. So connect these 2 corners together like this. Alright, so we have it here. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is that to draw the curve here, so I will take my protractor. So I will set it at this point here like this. Then I will set like this. I make sure this line on the protractor is on the line. So I will set like this. Okay. Then I will, this line that goes to 90, so I will make a mark, and then I'm going to draw a line. So from this point, so goes in this direction. Okay. and then we do the same thing. So here, so coming down here, so I'll do the same. So set the point the point that we have on the line. Then I will make a mark here on 90. Then I will draw a line, so from the point, so passing through this point, so it goes like this. Alright, so we have this point here. Okay, so and then we do this if you are to make the curve, so make the circle, but I'm making use of this point to draw the curve here. So I'm making use of this point. So the one I'm going to use to complete it will be drawn here. So to do that, so we also set the protractor like this on the line, and also at the point, so we set like this, and then so make a mark here on the paper. Okay, so I will draw a line from this point, so through the point that we put on the paper like this. Then I will also set the protractor like this, so also at the point. You have to draw the circle. That's when you need to do this to this one, okay, and also this one. So then, so put a mark here on the paper on that 90. Okay, so then, so we draw a line from here. So draw a line from here. So this point is supposed to. So draw a line from here. So to here. So we have the point here. Okay, so we are making use of this point. So this point here. Okay, so those are the points that we are using. So I'm not going to make use of this. Okay, and I'm not going to make use of this. But if I'm to draw a circle, I'll be using this point to draw a curve here. This point here to draw an arc to here. Okay, and this point to draw an arc from here to here. And this point here to draw an arc here, so that it forms a circle. But I'm just drawing a curve. So what I'm to do now is to put the midpoint of my compass here at this point, extend to this point here. Okay, so I will check. Okay, so bringing it here, so I will draw like this. So that will give me the arc there. So to give me an arc there, so I adjust it very well. Then we draw an arc like this. Alright, so we draw this arc like this. So then we now come to this point here. So put the point of compass here and extend it to this point. So extend to this point here. Okay, so if we draw to touch this point, so I can go from here now. Take it easy. My compass is not really okay. So we go like this. Alright, so we have this now. So that's it. Then we are going to create a hole here. So let's quickly do that. So the diameter of the hole is 30. So the radius is 15. So 15 millimeters from the center, 15 millimeters from the center, and also on this line, so you take 15 millimeter down and 15 millimeters up, making 30. Then with the 45 degrees set square, so we are going to come to this point, so draw this line from here to here, and then I'll come to this point, so draw a line from here to here, and then here, so you draw a vertical line through this point, and then so draw a vertical line through this point here like this. Alright, so this line is still serving as the line that connects this corner and this corner together. So now we are making use of this point here, this point, this point, this point. Okay, so those are the points that we are using. So in this case, so to use a compass may be somehow uneasy. So use this particular French curve, just set like this. So use this particular one and make sure the points on this part on the French curve, so adjust it very well, and then so you can draw the curve like this. So draw this arc like this. So we want to form a circle, so you are going to see that we are going to form the circle. So set it again on this point like this. Okay, so set like this, and then we draw the curve like this, or the arc like this, and then so set the French curve over these 2 points here, so you can draw like this. Okay, then the reason why we are using the French curve is that this circle is not very big, so I've drawn an oblique circle with this method that I used to draw this curve. But the square that we have is bigger than this one. Alright, so you can see that we have produced it. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to, let's get the thickness of this thing. So the thickness is 15 millimeters. So I'll come down here, take a measurement of 15 millimeters on this horizontal line, 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters here. Okay, so then I'll come here. So I need to draw a horizontal line from this point. So draw a horizontal line from this point, and then we come here. So we draw a horizontal line from this point. Then I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters here. This is 15 millimeters, and then so I'll come here and take a measurement of 15 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters here. So I will join this together. I'll join this together like this, and then I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So draw a vertical line here like this. Alright, so we have this now. So now, we draw a horizontal line. So draw a horizontal line from here. So let's complete this one. So we are going to have a point. Just take a point somewhere around here. So draw a horizontal line. So come to this point here. So we already have a line on this one. Come to this point. So you draw a horizontal line, and then this point somewhere around here. So you draw a horizontal line, and then we take a measurement of from here to here is 15 already. From here to here is 15. So I'll come here and take a measurement of 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters here. So we come to this point, this particular point here. Okay, so take 15 millimeters to this side, and this is already 15. From here to here is already 15 millimeters. So I'll just come here now and take 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters. So we have this point, this point, this point. So and then this point and this point to join together with the use of a French curve. So it goes like this. So set the French curve like this. Okay. So set it like this, and then so draw the curve, and then so we join these two together like this. Alright, so then we make this line a thick line. So make this line a thick line like this. Alright, so then this line, so I'll make it a thick line at once like this, and this line also will make it a thick line. Alright, so and then so we are going to see part of this hole on this face here. So what we have to do is to draw a line. So draw a line, draw a horizontal line from this point, take a point around here, draw a horizontal line, then come up here, so draw a horizontal line, and then so come up here, so draw a horizontal line like this here. Alright, so now so I will take a measurement of 15 on this line from this point here. So take 15 millimeters, so this is 15 millimeters, and then come here, so you take 15 millimeters. Okay, so these 2 points that we have here be connected to this point, and then connect it to this point. So we make use of the French curve to connect them. So just set the French curve, set it like this. Okay, so I'll just set the French curve like this, and then I will draw the curve. Alright, so that's it. So you can see the part of the hole on this face here. Then other thing that we have here is that of there's something that we have here. So we have a cut here. So this is 20. So with the 45 degrees square, so draw like this, and then so I'm going to, from this point where we have 20, so draw a vertical line here like this, and then you come here to draw a vertical line like this, and then so now so we come to this point, we are going to draw a horizontal line from this point inward. So draw a horizontal line from this point inward like this, and then take a measurement of 15. So from this point here, 15 millimeters, this is 15 millimeters. So all I'm going to do now is to draw a vertical line from this point. You touch this line. So make it a thick line at once. We have it like this. And then, so I'm going to make this line a thick line from here to here. And then this line also from here to here, I'll make it a thick line. So we are done with this part. So this line will be a thick line. And this line also will be a thick line from here to here. And then to make this one a thick line. So we still have one more part to reduce. So which should be on this surface. So now we take a measurement of 75 millimeters up 75 millimeters from this point. This is 75. So we are going to draw a line. So through this point, okay. So we'll draw a line like this. And then, so this center line, we have to bring it down. So we'll take it down here. So this is the midpoint of that 70 millimeters line. So we'll take it down. And then from this point here, from this point, I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters from this point. Take 15 millimeters down. This is 15 millimeters. And again, so take another 15 millimeters down. So this is 15 millimeters. So making 30. So now, I'm going to draw a line through this point like this. Okay, so then through this point also I will draw a line like this. Okay, so I'm looking at this line. No. Okay. Oh, sorry. So this is where I have the first 15. Then I need to take another 15 millimeters down. This is where I have it. Okay, so we draw this line. So you just need to be careful. So lines are many. So we draw this line, and again, so we are going to take a measurement of 15 millimeters from here to here, and from here to here. So we draw a vertical line. Here we draw a vertical line down, and then here we draw a vertical line down. Alright, so we have a curve around here. We have a curve around here. So this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Okay, so for the curve that we are producing, so we are going to join these corners together. So we join these corners together. So here I'm making use of my French curve. So we have a point here. So we have a point here, then we have a point here. Then we have a point here. So these 3 points, I will make use of them to get the curve drawn. So I will set my French curve like this, the way we did for the upper one. So I will draw this curve from here to here, the arc from here to here. So we have this now. Then I will set it here like this, and then I will join this point together. So we have produced this curve now. So we have that. There's another one that we have down here. So all I have to do now is that okay, so from this point, if you look at the diagram, so we have that to get the center of the second one down here, so we have to take a measurement of 20 millimeters down. So that's 20 millimeters from the center of this one. Okay, then I will now take 15 millimeters down. So this is 15 millimeters now. Okay, then at the same time I will take from this center here, I will take 15 millimeters of making it 30. Okay, because I want to produce an isometric square, an oblique square on that face. So I'm going to draw a line from here to here, Then coming to this point, I'll also draw a line. So I've formed an oblique square. So these longest corners, I need to join them together. So just take note of the lines. Okay, so we join these longest corners together like this. Okay, so I'm making use of, okay, the midpoint. So I need to draw a line through the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. So I draw a line from here to here. So now, so we are making use of this point. Sorry, this point. Okay, this point, it is down. So this point here. Okay, and we are using this point, and we are using this point. Those are the 3 points that we are using. So I just set my French curve at this point here. So set this very, very well. Then you draw the curve like this. Okay, then I will now set this one, set like this, and then I will produce the curve. This is it. Alright, so then this line will be a straight line. So just join this together with a straight line, and then join this together with a straight line. Then you also need to see another part of this. So around here, so what we have to do is that, so we come to this point here. So just take the point, so draw a horizontal line here. Then you come to this point, draw a horizontal line here. So and at this point, I will also draw a horizontal line. Okay. Then I will take a measurement of 15. So I'm not going to take a measurement here, but I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters here on this line. So this is 15. Then on this line, I will also take 15. So we have this. So now, so with my French curve, I will join this point here, and this point. I will join them together with the French curve. So just set the French curve like this. Okay. Then we join this together like this. Alright, so we have that. Then at this point, you have to draw a vertical line, so from here up. So this is how it will look. So and then, so this line should be made a thick line. So we have this. So this is all that we are asked to do. So it's as simple as I've done it here. Thank you, keep on practicing, and God bless you.